I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Happy Thursday. Look how cold it is in here. That's cold shit. Anyhow, wanted to do an overview of what I call the MaddHatter build. Woohoo! You guys may have seen the gallery pictures of this on the web page. I'm sorry, on YouTube. I still have to put the VTX in there. I have that on order. But other than that, totally done. This is going to be the next Patriot Blades gallery auction for charity. And we did really good with the Captain America, which was the America frame. And we donated $308 to the Semper Fi Fund for disabled vets. So, bam, awesome. This one, the proceeds are going to go to St. Jude's Children's Hospital, and that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to alternate every other auction. So, this is the next one that's up. We got the Brother Hobby Tornado, 2206, 2600 KVs. We have the Lumineer, 1080p, blah, 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 2.8 millimeter cam. We have the Cicada all-in-one FC, so we've got basically an omnibus F4 with 30 amp BL Heli S. Man, ESCs, been a long day. And the Azure props. These are race props, obviously, you know, but they look bad as hell. Bam! And this one was 100% built by me. Far view antenna, of course. Everything's laid out nice. Let's see, what do we got on thickness for arms? 5 mil. Woohoo! Thick little bitch. And it looks like a 2 on top. 3 mil on top, 5 on bottom. Absolutely awesome. I did not modify this frame at all. A lot of times I slam them, whatever. I really like how they did this anodized on the standoffs. It's very, very freaking cool. It's a bad bird. And there is actually a place, this is one of the things they advertise, right here in the crotch, is a place to put the receiver. See, it goes all the way through. So that's very cool. And it does not obstruct your battery straps. Your battery strap goes through here. Your receiver goes in here. Very cool. Like I said, I still have to put the VTX03 in there. Actually, I think I do have one. I just need to finish that out. So yeah, badass frame. This is the b.crow by, what is it, Velocity Drones, the frame. I can't remember. I'll put a link in there. But anyway, very, very cool. So this one's going to a good cause. As you know, basically what we do, we round up the build cost. So if the build cost, let's say 67 bucks for the FC, we'll round it up to 70 bucks. So we round up on everything a couple bucks. That basically covers the build cost. Then we tack on money above build cost, sometimes 25 bucks, sometimes 50. Depends on how expensive the bird is. And then anything over build cost goes to the charity. So let's just say this is, I don't know, 280 bucks. We'll tack 25 bucks on it, whatever, and then anything above that, anything above build cost goes to the charity. So it's for a very, very good cause. And do me a favor, guys. If you have Facebook and Instagram and stuff like this, spread the link, spread the word on these auctions because they're for a great cause. Nobody's making any money off of it. You'll see that at the price. I'll put a link in the description below of the Patriot Blades webpage, which we're still working on, but it's pretty much functional. I got to get my lazy ass in gear. And we will, the link below, and then when you go to the webpage, it'll have the eBay auction link and whatever else. So anyway, if you would do me a favor and spread the word on these auctions, we got some really, really cool stuff coming up. I've got 5 or 6 in line after this. So very, very bad bird. Stay tuned for the gallery pictures that Mama Roto Geek took so you can get some really nice ideas of how this baby looks. So again, keep your shine side up, kids. Take care. Bye.
Fire music in. Yeah, fire music in. Oh, we are gathered here now in a sacred place. Yeah, yeah. Ceremony. Funky style music got you good now, children. Ceremony. Rock and roll music got you good, good, baby. Ceremony. Funky style music got you good now, children. Ceremony. Rock and roll music got you good. Oh, it's a rhythm hit machine. A ritual music flowing strong and free. Blowing strong and free. A celebration that we need to cleanse the world that is bleeding deep. Oh, don't let it bleed, no. Oh, we are gathered here, yeah, in a sacred place. Yeah, yeah. Ceremony. Rock and roll music got you good now, children. Ceremony. Funky style music got you good, baby. Ceremony. Rock and roll music got you good, 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 good. Ceremony. Funky style music got you good.
Bam, JJ.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing.
Bam, JJ.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing.